Guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today with two new devices from SonOff, actually one device but with two different models. This is the new MC5 from SonOff, and they are really nice. This one right over here, it is one of my favorites. This is the NS panel that we have already seen, we have reviewed, we have installed, and I will leave a link right over here just in case you missed that out. Now, just to show you what I've got connected right over here, and then I will explain that we will connect and the way that we put it on the app and so on and so forth. But let's take a look. One lamp, another lamp, and then the NS panel, just for fun, it's controlling two lamps here and controlling three lamps right over here, and it's really bright over there, so I will turn them off. But on this angle right over here, probably you can see the NS panel and the MC5, which look really nice. The design of the MC5 is awesome. It goes in line with the NS panel. It is, in my opinion, really cool in terms of looks, and in terms of connectivity, really easy. As you can see by some images, and we are looking at the one button only. By the way, before I forget, I've got the one button, two buttons, but there's also a third button version, so I will leave a link down below, which will be close to the sponsor of this video, which is B&H Software, a place or a platform where we can get budget keys for Windows 11 Home, 11 Pro, Windows 10, Office 2021. It's a platform that we have been working for the past few months. It is tested, we have activated without any issues whatsoever. Now, getting back to the topic on the MC5, connection wise, it's really easy. We will find one phase in, one neutral in, and then we will find one phase out, which basically will be to connect to our lamp or to the circuit that we want to turn on and off. We want to basically control. So I did connect a lamp, and I used the phase out to connect to the lamp, and then the neutral is shared. And basically that is it. Once we connect, we can control with the switch. Now, in terms of the app, the new devices from SonOff are even easier than the previous generations that we have tested. They have Bluetooth, so it's coming really fast and easy to pair them. Then in no time we will be able to control the device, and of course with all the smart features and with Home Assistant integration, which we have shared a lot here on the channel. So if you have missed that, search on the channel for SonOff or Home Assistant. You will find a lot of videos that we have done with a lot of integrations. Now, one of the things that I would like to share with you really quickly right over here is the app, and I'm not going to record the video or the screen of my phone. I can show you right over here or right over there. If I press this button, it will bam. If I press this one, bam. Of course, I can schedule, I can do a lot of automatizations. I can say, hey, turn on at 9 o'clock in the morning, turn off at evening, so things like that. And of course, if you use Home Assistant, things will get even more interesting. One of the things that I love on the NS panel is that if we take a look at the widgets right over here, we can also control, besides all the other devices that we could already, the MC5 can be controlled. So if I've got the NS panel on my living room and I've got the MC5, for example, on the kitchen, I will be able to control on the living room, the kitchen lights, and so on and so forth, besides the app that we already have on our pocket. This is really cool. And as you can see, I've got a lot of integrations or widgets right over here. I can, for example, go here. No, this is the MC5. I can go right over here, and if I want, I can shut down one of those lights and shut down another light, and these are lights that you are not seeing, but it's backlights that are illuminating here the scene. So when I press, you can see the lighting conditions change. So we can change a lot, and I do have a lot of integrations on my backyard, on a lot of areas. So if you search for SonOff on the channel, you'll find a lot of projects that we have done. Of course, it has Google Assistant, Alexa, and all that goodies, but the most important, and the thing that I do believe that it's the most interesting for today's video, is the new model M5. This is what I wanted to share with you, how we connect it. They look awesome, and we can do a lot. That being said, if the video was helpful in some way, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there or right over here, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.